Hey, it's Tiana. Thanks for joining for today's BeKind Craftisode. Thanksgiving is almost here. I'm so excited. Today we're going to make a card talking about what you're grateful for. Practicing gratitude and reflecting on what you're thankful for is actually a really special way to be kind and to spread kindness, especially when you share that gratitude with others. So let's get started. So first you'll need to find some paper that you have at home. I'm actually going to make my turkey purple. I'm going to trace my hand to make it the shape of a turkey, and then I'm going to add on what I'm grateful for. You can trace it wide so that your turkey has big feathers. Next, I'm going to pick out colors for my turkey's feathers. Now I'm going to glue on my feathers. Now I'm going to draw and cut out a beak. Lastly, I'm going to cut out an eye for my turkey. If you have any scrap paper, you should try to use that instead, because then it's less wasteful than cutting from a new piece of paper. Now that my glue is all dry, I'm going to cut out my turkey. Now that I've cut out my turkey, I'm going to add on a wing. I already cut it out, but you can see here I just made a rounded triangle. Here's my turkey. The last step is to write down what you're grateful for. I'm grateful for my family. And one way to spread kindness is to tell them that. To go up to my parents and siblings and tell them that I'm really thankful for them and that they matter to me. I'm also thankful for my friends, so I can spread kindness and do something nice for my friends, or just tell them that they're really special to me. I'm thankful for my health. And I'm also thankful for my home. What are you thankful for? Thanks for joining for today's BeKind Craftisode. And remember, always choose to be kind.